All right, let's make some rock and roll slip. It's going to be loud, it's going to be noisy, it's going to be dirty. That's why it's rock and roll. Here we go. We're going to get the drill and mix that clay that's been soaking overnight with a drill bit that is usually used for mixing paint, but we're going to use it for clay today because we're making liquid. It's blended up a bit, so we're going to get the bucket and sieve. I'm going to sieve out some of the lumps in there, which is quite a tedious process, but you need to do it. I'm testing it here to see how thick it is. It's quite chunky still. I usually drop it like that just to see how it falls and see if it's liquid enough, and it's not quite liquid enough like that. So what we're going to do is get some stuff called Dispex. We use Dispex in Australia. There's other brands that you can Google if you're in another place, but that's what I tend to use. It's a deflocculant, big word. If you want to know how this works, please Google it because I'm not good with scientific explanations, but it makes the clay more liquid. I don't measure this properly. I wing it pretty much, and what I usually use for this clay, which is a porcelain, is about 2 teaspoons per bucket. You can see it's a lot more liquidy now, and you want the consistency of runny cream, so when you put your hand in it sort of drips off, but not like milk, a little bit thicker than milk. Alrighty, so it's about ready now, except it's still got a lot of lumps in it. So what I'm going to do is get the sieve out again, and I sieve this 3 or 4, sometimes longer, 5 or 6 times maybe, to get as many lumps out as possible. And you can also use a better sieve than the one I've got here, and you're all ready to rock.